Hi Suitor artists! Today we are going to be making two different types of bird feeders. They're super simple and they use mostly just ingredients that you have around your house, plus bird seed. You can kind of see there's two little bird feeders hanging behind me. Those are what we're going to create today. So I hope you enjoy! Alright, so for the first bird feeder, what you need is honey, bird seed, a toilet paper roll, and some kind of string or yarn to hold your bird feeder up. First step is to cut the string for your bird feeder. All you have to do is thread it through your toilet paper roll, tie it. Oh, Dizzy, what's wrong? Voila! Then you're going to take some honey and you're going to spread it all over your bird feeder or your toilet paper tube, soon to be bird feeder. Then once it's pretty well covered, you're just going to roll it in the bird seed. Until the bird seed is coated. On all sides. Okay, so for the next bird feeder, you'll need peanut butter, you'll need a pine cone, you'll need yarn or string, and of course bird seed. So the first step is that you want to do the same thing. You want to attach your string or your yarn to your pine cone. And I'm going to do that just by tying this around the top little spines or whatever you call them on the pine cone. So that it hangs pretty sturdy. Then I'm going to take a big scoop of peanut butter and you can just spread it all over your pine cone. Roll your pine cone in the bird seed. To coat it, and voila! Pine cone bird feeder. Okay, suitor artists, I hope you all had a nice time creating your bird feeders, and I hope you hung them outside and now you can watch to see if the birds will eat your bird seed. Have a great day. I hope you're all staying healthy and safe, and I'll see you next time.